Welcome back to the course on how to learn music as a foreign language. We are now in section 8 of our first course, Introduction to Music Symbols. Remember, this is still grade 1, level 1. In this section, we shall study how curved lines and dots are used as symbols to indicate how a note or group of notes are being played. And this is what we will cover in this section. Firstly, we shall learn what articulation means in music. Secondly, we shall study legato. Thirdly, we shall study staccato. And lastly, we shall study ties. Okay, so what is articulation? In music, articulation means a way how a note or group of notes are played. There are so many forms of articulation that can be applied to the notes in the piece of music, which we are going to study a lot deeper in the next course level. In this course level, however, we shall focus our study on the most common forms of articulation, namely legato, staccato, and tie. Our example here shows the 3 forms of articulation I mentioned earlier. This is our main study for this section.